But we're closed. We're store closed now. Well, and the hymns. Too much people in a fair party. Too much people in a fair party hymns. They give free liquor. Yo, go on. Good evening, good people. If me, no, it's about silent today. What is? Yeah, close though. Alright, we are gonna sort it. Alright, me tell you, it depends. If me check the brother today and him say him finish work from the phone, then no. Don't think you're coming. Alright, so me think that 200 and don't look too bad. Yeah, my thing. Hey babe. What's up? Yeah. Fortnite.
What you have it on?
PlayStation 4. Because you don't own a PlayStation 4 country. Maybe. If you get one, I could like which one that's the
whole one.
PlayStation 1?
Yes.
Yeah, sure, me can get them for you. That a grey one?
Yes.
Alright, tell you what, me want it to use the COVID first. So me can play some of them old games that I will play
with little bit first.
Me don't know if you give me a if you play with little bit first.
Me I wanna know and me say my boyfriend want like game like where you can fight and them something there.
Okay.
But we have I want this to have one car game we have funny and then we can make it 4 car game go.
Yeah man, me can deal with them for you man, don't worry, I got you.
Let me know.
Yeah.
Make sure they're not too expensive though.
Nah, no problem.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm going to pay up my partner there man. Got me and one day are you doing that?
Yeah, I think so. Alright, Francine. Take care. Pull up a man line with me. Me only have balloon and chiller.
So one day.
Me know so then there, but me not no gun. Hold on, wait. Hems, am I one there? Oh wait. Oh snap, la doors. Me not no gun, Hems.
You want that one?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, pushed it.
I try to release the balloon, but no one released. Boy!
Hola.
Hola. Hey, where going, baby doll? No, me I like way too much, man. I can't do squat. My fault that. That was my fault. That was my fault. GG. No, not too bad there, man. So what's good? Alright, me tell you. Alright, I'm going to stream. Marmar, what you know? Marmar, hold up there. No, I know about it. Me know about it. Me just never check it out. Alright, anybody want to join up for Romario there? Alright, let me invite Romario. Tadri online too. Yo, Ryan, my pre. Oh shoot, the midnight party. Hold on, message. Yo, I pre. There I kick back in a youth. Did I run stream? Did I run some stream? Oh. Hey, alright, Mama, let me tell you, me not really promote people that come in a chat and I promote them channel, you see me? Because, yeah. Oh no, start it, just press the, oh yo. What you want me to do? Alright. No, it don't make sense to go on that because me I tell you me soon cut. So your points them would have reset. But it would make sense because you still would have to reset your points. Okay. Oh, me get black screen now. Ah, fan freaking tastic. Right? No, as me say no mama, hear the thing. You see if you link me first, me will give you the go ahead. You understand? But me not take it as habit because first thing it'll mark as spam and it'll delete. That's the first thing. Right? The second thing is as me say, me don't want people to take it as a habit for people come in and try to make a name off of my channel. You understand? Because everybody have good intentions towards what them do in terms of content. You get what I try to say? You see it? So if you want me to promote you, you can link me. You can get a free plug. You get what I say? Right? And if you want me to promote you, me occasionally do like free agent season. You miss it, the last one which happened what year? So you kinda missed that one day. Else you could have win one tumbo pack where you could have get some stuff. Alright, well I'm gonna restart this. Alright, so just to make you guys know, I'm gonna stream again tomorrow. So yeah, if you don't see stream start back, ping too high. So thanks for passing by people.